We do watch live TV, yeah.
Really? What live TV do you watch?
Anything like, well, sports, anything like concerts that are being streamed, stuff like that.
Do you watch live TV, Jen?
Yeah, the news. Try and watch a little bit of the news.
So do you watch any live television, and what do you watch?
I don't watch live, apart from the news.
Do you normally watch live TV? And if so, like, what do you watch?
Not anymore, so I'd say if I watch live TV now, it'd probably be sports.
Yeah? What kind of sports do you like?
Football, UFC.
Good.
I like documentaries. Occasionally watch full-length films.
Thank you very much.
All right, thanks.
We've been searching for days now.
Must be around here somewhere.
By Jove, a monkey.
What is it? We found it.
Cadbury's. Worth adventuring for. Oh my god, this is not what I wanted.
Do you know? It's what I wanted.
I know, I wanted rainbow. Wow, I love it.
It's magic.
I have this delicious bread. It sure will be bad if someone stole it.
Bring me the bread.
Oh
Bread is out of this world.
Alright, what we got in here, eh? Okay. This has got to be the worst oral hygiene I have ever seen. How on earth am I meant to fix that?
Fear not, little dentist. You can use this, the ultimate toothpaste.
Wow, what an incredible product. Oh, Mr. Monkey, here you go. And brush well. Here you go. Mr. Monkey loves brushing your teeth like this. And shows you. See? Look how happy he is. It's approved by 99.9% of dentists, including me. Oh. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh no!
Wow.
More!
Pringles. Give it to everyone.
And welcome back to the news.
Yes, welcome back. Now, did you watch the Super Bowl the other day?
Yes, fantastic victory all around.
Absolutely fantastic victory. Well,
I don't really know what other news we have today. None of it really seems that important.
Oh man, there is invasion of Earth.
The invasion of Earth. I think it's here on the transcript. Wow. Aliens are invading Earth.
Yeah.
Wow, man. They are brutal. There is no mercy here.
Yeah, mutilation everywhere. Half population still already.
It is a bloodbath.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
But we'll be back here with that after the weather.
And here's Oscar with the weather.
The weather today is cool and chill. Up north of Scotland, it's pretty cold, but I'm just getting in that there's a volcano blast up in America. I'm pretty sure that's going to end most of us. And west of here, there's a hurricane coming towards England for the second time in a millennium. And in the east, there appears to be a meteorite. I don't understand it either. I think I'm having a midlife crisis.
I'm here in what's left of England, and I'm here with two aliens. So, what are your names? We need no names. Right, and so, how's the invasion going? Very well. Oh my God, what do I do? Yeah. Are you gonna try to get better? No.
Hello and welcome to the news. Now we're really honoured to have the opportunity to interview Milo Goodman.
It's a pleasure to have you on the show, Milo. So, you're a professional snowboarder, just come back from Finland. So, what's it like, the life of a snowboarder? Is it particularly tough? Do you face any challenges on a daily basis?
Yeah, every morning I get up wondering what will happen if I lose. Then I realise I'll lose trying, but if I win, then I'll win trying.
Touching words, touching words. So, as a professional snowboarder, what would you say is the greatest adversity that you've had to overcome in your career?
Injury. I get so many injuries. Broken my leg, broken my arm, broken my other arm, broken my ankle, leg came off, prosthetic leg, very good. Broken my hand, everything. Literally anything you can imagine.
You truly are a fighter.
Thank you.
Well, that is, I'm afraid, all the time that we have for you. So,
a group of teenagers have created a petition for Joe Biden to change his surname to Mara. This contact has been spread over the internet.
Hello and welcome to the weather.
In Scotland it's 23 degrees. This is the first time Scotland has reached over 20 degrees in 30 years.
But this might be a fake. Also, we heard that apparently in the Cotswold a volcano has erupted, causing thousands of people to die. Many injuries.
In London it's -3 degrees.
And a terrible hurricane is all over Wales.
That's it for the weather. Thank you for watching.
Hello and welcome. Later on today we'll be interviewing a guest star.
The new spy movie Dreamfall is coming into cinemas soon. Here's an early access clip of the film.
Why did you bring me here? What are you doing here?
He's not the only one you need to worry about. James Monkey. James, no.
No, you monster!
Oh.
Please welcome our guest star, Monkey Craig.
Hello, hello.
So how did the film turn out for you?
I mean, I feel it went quite well. The experience, it was incredible, and I just really enjoyed it.
That's lovely to hear. Now tell us, what was your favourite scene to film?
Come on, man. It's got to be the final fight scene at the end, over this lot. You know, it was fun. There weren't even any special effects needed, and I did all my own stunts.
Wow. Wow, I really thought a green screen was used there. That's incredible. Now, will you be appearing as Bond in the next film?
Wow, well, I guess you'll just have to wait and see.
Well, thank you very much. The film will be released next month. Anything else you'd like to add?
Just make sure you've got tickets, and I'll see you around.